Let's face it, we spend a lot of time in our cars. Just like our homes, a clean car is a happy car. But keeping our car clean takes more than just a quick wash and wax. The interior, especially the carpets and headliner, is often neglected and harbors dirt, dust, and allergens. Carpets collect food crumbs, pet hair, mud, and spills, creating a breeding ground for bacteria. The headliner collects dust, smoke residue, and insect splatters, dulling its appearance and causing odors. So, if you're ready to give your car the interior makeover it deserves, let's gather our cleaning supplies and get started. Before we revamp your car's interior, let's gather the necessary tools and supplies. You probably already have most of these items in your cleaning arsenal. A good vacuum cleaner with various attachments is essential. A dedicated car interior cleaner is a must-have. Microfiber cloths are super absorbent, lint-free, and gentle on surfaces. Other handy tools include a stiff bristled brush, a spray bottle, and a bucket for collecting dirty water. With these tools, you're ready to get down to business. Now that we have our cleaning supplies ready, let's move on to the carpets. First, remove all loose objects from the car, such as floor mats and trash. Use the vacuum cleaner to remove loose dirt, dust, and debris from the carpets. Pay attention to the areas under the seats and in the footwells. For stubborn stains, pre-treat with a stain remover, especially one designed for car upholstery. Apply the stain remover to a clean microfiber cloth and gently dab it onto the stain. Let the stain remover sit for a few minutes. Use a stiff bristled brush to agitate the carpet fibers and loosen any remaining dirt. After scrubbing, thoroughly vacuum the carpets again to remove the loosened dirt and stain remover residue. Allow the carpets to dry completely before placing the floor mats back in the car. The headliner requires a more gentle approach compared to the carpets. Start by using a soft bristled brush or a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove loose dust and debris. For stains or marks, lightly spray the affected area with a fabric cleaner specifically designed for car interiors. Using a clean microfiber cloth, gently wipe the cleaned area in circular motions. Allow the headliner to air dry completely. If necessary, you can use a microfiber cloth to absorb any excess moisture. Stains are an inevitable part of life, and our cars often fall victim to spills and accidents. For coffee stains, blot up as much of the spill as possible with a clean cloth. Prepare a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar, and apply it to the stain. Let it sit for a few minutes, then blot again with a clean cloth. For ink stains, hairspray or hand sanitizer can work wonders. Spray hairspray on the stain or apply a small amount of hand sanitizer and let it sit for a few minutes. Blot with a clean cloth and repeat until the stain disappears. For grease stains, sprinkle a generous amount of cornstarch or baking soda onto the stain and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Vacuum up the powder and repeat if necessary. From food spills to pet odors, unpleasant smells can linger in our cars. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber. Sprinkle baking soda on the carpets and upholstery, let it sit overnight, and vacuum it up in the morning. Activated charcoal is a powerful odor eliminator. Leave a bowl or two of activated charcoal in your car overnight to absorb odors. Coffee grounds can neutralize odors and leave a pleasant aroma. Now that the carpets and headliner are clean and odor-free, it's time for the finishing touches. Clean the floor mats separately, using the same techniques as the carpets. If you have rubber mats, you can wash them with a hose and scrub them with soapy water. Clean the windows and mirrors with glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Wipe down the dashboard, steering wheel, and other interior surfaces with a damp microfiber cloth and a mild multi-purpose cleaner. Congratulations! Your car's interior is now spotless and inviting. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car clean and fresh. Vacuum the carpets and upholstery at least once a week. Clean up spills and stains immediately to prevent them from becoming permanent. Use air fresheners sparingly to maintain a pleasant scent in your car. By following these simple tips, you can keep your car's interior looking and smelling its best for years to come.